Jared with the Colt in his, what, the belt? Oh, the belt in his mouth having a seizure. Is that right? I better try to decipher that question. So you thought that when Sam, Jared, was had the belt in his mouth and was doing a seizure, and I was kind of holding his head and trying to, you know, calm him. That seems right? Yeah, I'm gonna take yes. Yeah, it was. I mean, I would say it's always. There's always realistic elements to what we do, and there's sometimes when I work, or when we're in a scene and I'm working with another actor, whether it be Jared or whether it be, you know, Mark Shepard or Beaver or Misha or whoever, where if there's something kind of really intense happening or a big emotion happening, I do often sometimes find myself becoming an audience member and just watching an actor perform. And sometimes I forget that I'm actually supposed to be performing as well, which is a testament to the actor who I'm watching, because if they can take me out of the scene, then that's great, and that means they're captivating me and hopefully the rest of the audience. I will say that, yeah, that was a big scene for Jared, and I know he worked a long time on, you know, how he wanted to do that. I believe he even watched tapes of seizures and medical shows and stuff like that to try to kind of do research on how that works. So yeah, there may have been parts of that scene where I was just watching him as an audience member, but you know, I would never tell him that.